Hi, welcome back to Discovery with Derek and Carissa.
Today we are releasing blue jays back into the environment.
So exciting for
everybody, look at me. Let's
birds.
get a group shot. Happy Blue Jay Day.
Happy Blue Jay Day!
1, 2, 3, freedom!
I'm excited that I released the birds. Now they're better.
This.
What we have here is a juvenile black crowned night heron. This is one of the birds that was born in our aviary from permanently injured parents, and today it's ready for release.
I'm just going to get close up.
Just gonna go for the camera.
So this is a common gallino, also known as moorhen, and it's a juvenile, so it doesn't have its red head yet, but we're about to release it because it's ready to go. Okay. You're free. Oh. So cool.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
It was great that we freed the birds.
Yeah, we did a lot today. So we released 24 birds today. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
And a lot of those birds came in here because they were permanently injured. And now they're back into the wild where they belong, right?
Right.
That's what we do. And you did a very good job, too.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you, Laura, for coming here with the show. And thank you for joining me on today with Discovery Derek and Carissa.